ukwazi ukucula bengizothi umoya wami Nkosi ulambelele sengi Jesus siyambonga uNkulunkulu bazalwane nibingelela ubaba umabe ngekho phakathi kwethu bingelela umfundisi our senior pastor umfundisi uyikhonjwa ngicela simshayele izandla bazalwane sibingelele umfundisi uMalo sibingelele ama-elder sibingelele abazalwane bonke abakhona umvangeli lapha ngemuva sibingelele ubabhoba sometimes unabazalwane who plays a role in your life without them knowing which they play a role in your life. I remember usually people from Swaziland, my family who knows me, they will watch them and they will ask you so Babo is famous, is international, yeah. Babo is an international Bible leader. Amen, Siyabonga Ntshalintshali awuyangena ingane yamadoda bazomnandi konzweni. Ngiyabona la isontweni lapha bazomnandi. Siyabonga Ntshalintshali nezwi powerful word, very very powerful word. You know bazalwane, what we fail to understand is that God has given us a day to live in, to enjoy until that day is fulfilled and over. And then He gives you the tomorrow. He doesn't give you the tomorrow without giving you the today. Now, tomorrow is subject to God. It's not subject to man, because God makes days. If He decides to end days, He ends them. But the issue we want to predict, or we want to create our own days by worrying about them. Sivele siwafake ekhanda siwaplanele insuku ezenziwa uNkulunkulu. Sishiye umuntu owenza insuku, sithathe insuku sifake kuthina zenziwe yithina. Lithi iBhayibheli, mother, you are worried about many things, but your sister is worried about one thing. Lithi into I worried ngayo was to sit enyaweni kaJesu. It is very easy to think ukuthi you want to serve uNkulunkulu. Ufuna ukuphithizelela uNkulunkulu ucabanga ukuthi that is how you serve God. And be worried about so many things in trying to serve uNkulunkulu. Kanti uNkulunkulu ufuna ube worried about one thing, is to sit enyaweni zakhe. Uma ucheck iBhayibheli, bonke abanye baye ethuneni laJesu beyombheka ukuthi bezama ukuthi bayomklina bayokwenza yonke, kodwa lo wayehlele enyaweni zakhe akayanga ethuneni laJesu, because he knew ukuthi akekho lapha uvukile, ngoba ukuhlala enyaweni zakhe he reveals himself to you. Stop worrying about many things. Worry about one thing. That one thing, which is Christ. Ngizothi nje ni extend intshumayelo kaMamjanja. Lithi iBhayibheli Proverbs 16:3. Ngicela simfunde lapho ba. 16:3.
Ngingcela kuJehova imisebenzi yakho ukuze kuqiniswe amasu akho.
Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. Ngingcela uJehova. Uyena who is going to establish. Your plans must be ngingcela to Jehovah, and He will establish them for you. Do not try and give other plans. That's the problem, Azara. We are suffering so much because we are worried about so many things. So many things. There are so many things that are inside. And what we are better, they have nothing to do with today. You are worried about you are worried about you have no idea what if you sit. If you just sit and actually enjoy the day and the thing that is happening now. Let me show Mom Janjan Springbok as vogue is thinking I look about. Springbok as vogue is cover. Springbok is vogela with provision. Plan was for us to be exactly like what the animals are doing. To be totally reliant on him. Hallelujah. Every day is guaranteed because ipila ngalolu suku. Again. It is worried about. We are the only species. We are the only species that seeks to supply for themselves. Even if we try to supply for the wild, we see now. Because once interference, we are one of the ones who interfere with the wildlife. Because uNkulunkulu takes care ngendlela yakhe. Once kwangena umuntu kuyonakala, uyaqala untshontsha amarani, uyaqala ukudubula izilwane, uyaqala wenza because uNkulunkulu indlela ayenza ngayo lento uyenza ngendlela yakhe. Ukuthi uma kudliwa iSpringbok esodwa kuzozala esini. Wena ufuna ukuyibulala zibe u10 because man is worried about. You are worried about many things. Tomorrow. It's for the day. You cannot guarantee my tomorrow. I can do it myself. We are frustrated because we are our own guarantors. See, guarantela thina lento. Lento kahle kahle siphila nje impilo yethu. Hallelujah. Let us worry about one thing. One thing. Awufike esontweni ukushayisha. Ukuzinze, ukucabanga isonto nalento yenza la. Ukukhoshwe yonke lento icabangayo. Lithi akume edeni ngisho usuku umuntu ukwarisha kwakhe. Worrying just does the following. Uma ucabanga, uwarisha, ucomplain, it just simply means ukuthi you are adding another day on the same situation that you are in. Into yabamezela abantwana baka-Israyeli endleleni ingoba they were complaining. Usho ukuthi uma complainer and worrying, you are adding another day on the misery that you are in. Until you let go and let God. Ayikho into engayishumayela wazara. Ngaphandle kokusho lento elishola. Ngoba uma ngathiwa ngiqala phansi ngisho kunye ngizoyona le part. The only thing I would say is that Martha, you are worried about many things. But your sister is worried about one thing. Umphumela walokho ukuthi izinto zikaNkulunkulu are revealed ulo who worries about that one thing. Hallelujah. That's the message, Mazaran. That is the gospel. Are you kidding? I can't tell you. We are not living from confession to confession. Uguti, you are going to confess. Uguti, I'm confessing. You are thinking about tomorrow. We are living from faith to faith. From faith to faith. Let us worry about that one thing, which is Christ. But we have favor one of the most important gifts. God is a provider. God is a provider. Amen. Don't worry about tomorrow. Live today. Uyazi bazalwane khona abantu athe sena 60 sekufanele ngabe useyaphumula aqala revise impilo yakhe athi kube kuthiwa lo liyasuku ngenza ukuthi you were given an opportunity to do that, but what you did was you worried about the next day, and naleyo next day awuzange ukwenza wakufanele ukwenza because you were worried about the next day. Uzophila impilo empty, full of years, but years that are empty, which have no history. Kukhona umuntu okathi uyahamba nezingane zakhe eholidini, akuhambi yena, akuhambi umzimba, akekho yena. Ingane ihluleke noku-enjoy because this person is worried about the next day. So many things. And he's not worried about one thing. Let's live in the today. Zitshele namuhla. Make a confession to yourself. Ukuthi from today, I'm going to live. Most ukuthi, usathana what he does. Ube seyakuvisita. Once you attach a decision, what I'm going to live for today. What the devil then does is that he comes and visits you. Uma visita uphathele izinto lezi kufanele ube worried ngazo ngakusasa. Uma ke sefika nalezi zinto bese kubuza umbuzo wonke ukuthi usokwenze njani nalezi zinto. What are you going to do about this? You are asking the wrong person, because our plans are, I've cast them to the Lord. Ask him, not me, because me, all I'm doing is I'm walking in whatever that I have told the Lord that I'm going to do. Our plans are because impendulo yami might just be impendulo esuke enyameni, but yena uzokutshela impendulo right. The devil will stop doing that. Musufuna uphendula into engahlangane nawe. Kufanele usathane kuze ukuthi usindisiwe ngempela yini. Umtshele ukuthi hamba ubuza lo wa creator isalvation. Angihlangane naleyo nto leyo. Mina ngamukela uJesu and the rest is history. Amen. So indaba yokuthi manje sifanele ungibuza ukuthi ngisindisiwe ngempela noma ngisindisiwe ngena lapho. I was not even in the plan when this thing was started. He started it, he finished it, and that's it. Angihlangane naleyo nto leyo. Go and ask him. Ungishiye phansi. Mina ngizoqhubeka nje la kule mpilo engiphilayo ukusindiswa. Amen. Hallelujah. Stop arguing with devil. Stop arguing with a lot of things. Worry about this one thing.
We serve. Singasho nje sonke ebusuku nje kanjalo.